maging property owner sa halagang 9,500 pesos per month? Yes, that's correct. With Anisa Heights, DMCI's most affordable and newest project here in Pasay, pwede na kayong maging property owner sa ganung halaga lang. So tara, I'll show you around the model unit for Anisa Heights.
Ayan, no? So, andito tayo ngayon sa Studio D or inner unit, ang ating 18 square meter studio unit for Anisa Heights. So, let's go inside. So, pagpasok natin, you have your kitchen already on the right side. Ayan. Enough space to actually cook. And meron tayong flow para sa mga mahilig magluto dyan. So, from here, you get the ingredients from the ref. Then, you prepare it in your sink, cook it. And then, kung kailangan i-reheat, there's a microwave. Ayan. Kompleto din tayo with our cabinets. Standard cabinets yan. And we have different fit-outs for the unit. Alright, so sa left side naman, meron tayong washer and dryer area for the 18 square meter. So ayan, so pwede siyang gawing pantry, extra storage space. Ayan, so may abang na din po tayo dyan for water and electricity for the washer dryer. Ayan, so here is our toilet area naman, as you can see. Even though hindi siya kasing laki ng other toilets from other projects, it's still spacious enough for you to do yung mga usual toilet activities natin like showers, relieving yourself. So enough space siya to move around and you're not constrained na gumalaw sa loob ng sarili mong banyo. Ayan. So ito yung fit-out options natin na sinasabi for Anisa Heights. So pwede kayong maglagay ng kasama na to sa package natin, which is right here. Pakipause na lang kung gusto po ninyong mabasa. Okay. But basically, it's a loft table or a loft bed. Yan. So may table kayo sa baba, a bit of sliding cabinets, meron din kayong mga drawers. So actually, drawers itong steps na ito so that you can actually have more storage and save more space. Yan. So yung ating sliding cabinet, and then up here, you have your very own loft bed. So perfect siya for those who will be living alone and mga students, mga nag-work na mag-isa lang dito sa Pasay. So perfect yung space niya. It's easy to clean, madali siyang i-maintain, and hindi kayo magkakamali when it comes to DMCI Homes quality. Ayan, no? So as you can see, there's a lot of space for me to move around. Even though it's only 18 square meters, I am 5'7" in person. So kung gusto ninyong makita yung measurements, ganito po tayo kalawak actually when it comes to the kitchen area. So lots and lots of to do. Abot ko naman lahat. Hindi ako constricted. As you can see, there's lots of side space sa katawan ko. So you don't have to worry na baka masikip ang 18 square. No, it's actually perfect for those living alone, like students or young professionals alike. Alright, no? So nandito tayo ngayon sa desk area natin for the 18 square meters. Now, 18 square meters, optional lang po actually ang magkaroon ng fit-outs for this type of unit. So mandatory lang po tayong kumuha ng fit-outs kapag ang units po natin is 26 to 27.5 square meters. So for these kinds of units, hindi nyo na kailangang, it's just optional to get yung fit-outs natin. So if you have a better design in mind for furnitures, then by all means, you can do so with this type of unit as well. Pero kung hindi naman, of course, meron tayong options. So number 1, loft bed plus wardrobe. And then meron tayong study table with a drawer included. So again, ayan, so kung wala kayong time maghanap ng contractor or maghanap ng gagawa for a loft bed na katulad nito or a study table like this, then you can opt out for the fit-out package for this one. Ayan, no? So kung nakaupo naman kayo, like I am right now dun sa ating study table desk, ito yung view natin sa likod. So this is actually the kitchen area na, and then also you have your cabinets, your shelves. So kasama din yan sa ating fit-out package for the 18 square meters in case na gusto ninyong mag-avail ng ganyan. So, hindi na kayo mag-shopping for other cabinets as well, or other furnitures. Nandiyan na siya pagka turnover namin. Kasi it'll be part of a turnover punch list. Ayan nga, no? So, yung stairs natin for the loft bed, it's actually a part of storage solutions. So, lahat yan, these are actual individual drawers na pwede nyong gamitin. Yan, lagawin nyo siyang dresser. Yan. So, lots and lots of storage. Yan. Dito naman sa kabila, actually, you have your TV na, but you also have a drawer then. Yan. Yun, no? So, Joe, meron din kayong 16 square and mas mura yun. So, ano ba difference ng 2 square meters sa Anisa? So, pupuntahan naman natin yun ngayon. So, let's go. Alright, so andito tayo ngayon naman sa 16 square meter unit natin for Anisa. So, ano ba yung difference nila between the 18 square meters? So, asan ba napunta yung 2 square meters na yon or saan nila nilagay? Well, for the 16 square meters, wala lang tayo, as you can see, wala tayong washer and dryer area lang dito. So, yun lang yung main difference niya. So, hindi kayo mag-washing machine, then, o magpapalaundry kayo sa labas, then, okay na okay yung 16 square meters sa inyo. And mas maliit siya, so that means, mas madali siyang i-maintain. Alright, so for the 16 square, tara, pasok tayo. Ayan. So as you can see, when you enter, you're greeted by the kitchen already. Ayan. So countertop stove. Ayan. You have your sink, and your cabinets. You also have your standard overhead cabinets. Ayan. May shelves din tayo. And then, pwede rin natin ilagay actually yung washer-dryer dito. Or kung gusto niyo dishwasher, pwede din naman. No? Kasi yung 18 square meter nandito sa other side, this one is just a wall. Ayan, so hindi na po siya. So, nilalagyan lang natin siya ng coat rack. Then, you have the ref here. And then, nandito na yung ating main closet or cabinet. And then, on our right, so, ang ginawa namin dito, nilagyan namin siya ng mirror para lumawak pa yung perspective ng ating unit. So, maganda pag may mirrors tayo sa ating bahay para lumaki yung space. Here, yung ating sink and vanity mirror, as you can see. And then, yung toilet natin, yan siya. Toilet and shower area. So, as you can see, malawak pa din siya. Hindi naman siya super liit compared sa other projects. Okay? So, here naman, we have our entertainment area. So, ayan. So, meron tayong storage cabinets dito. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng other things ninyo, kung storage, dyan na dyan, pwede. And then, of course, across the entertainment, syempre, you have your very own bed. So, kasyang-kasyang double-sized bed, as you can see. And then, papakita ko sa inyo, this is actually a fit-out from DMCI Homes. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung special feature niya. You also have choosing of hanging shelves din. By the way, all ACs are window type lang for Anisa Heights dahil wala po tayong maglalagyan for split type. So, like I've said, the fit out for the bed in the 16 square meter option is actually this one. So, it actually transforms into a table. So, pakita ko sa inyo right now, tinanggal muna natin yung mga pillows. This is what we call a Murphy desk. So, if you have your chair, lagay nyo lang siya dito. Ayan, definitely, it's a workstation, work area. As you can see, napakalaki. Sobrang laking desk para sa inyo. So, pwede nyo siyang gawing Murphy table. So, that's part of the fit-out packages for the 16 square meters here at Anisa Heights. So, make sure na when you buy one, you tell them which one do you prefer. Okay? Pwede kasing loft bed or a Murphy desk like this one. Balik na natin siya sa para balik. Just pull it down. And then that's it. Balik na sa dati. Okay? So as you can see, even with the 16 square meter unit, marami pa din akong space to move around. So again, I'm 5'7", pero madami akong space to actually move around the kitchen. Hindi ako constrained, pero maaliwala siya even for its size. And then, abot ko lahat actually. Now, the reason why nandito yung most of ng frame kasi this is actually a sliding cabinet din. So, part siya ng fit-out packages for Anisa Heights. So, make sure na you opt it out if ever. So yan po, no? This is actually the fit-out package deliverables for Anisa Heights. So if you own a 16 square to a 23 square unit, then optional lang po ito na makuha ninyo. But if it's a 26 to 27.5 square meters, then it's mandatory that we get our fit-out package. Ayan. So you have different options. I'll flash a much clearer photo para makita ninyo yung ating mga fit-out packages. So that's our fit-out packages. So if you want to discuss more about the fit-out packages or the unit deliverables, please contact me so we can discuss it even further. So the prices for these units are very, very affordable, no? So for the 16 square meters, it's only priced at 2,652,800 pesos. And for the 18 square meters, it's only priced at 2,744,800 pesos at its launch. So very, very affordable. And of course, our down payment is a minimum of 20%. And that's spread monthly until turnover na po. So, lumalabas yung A16 square meters natin is only at around 9,500 pesos per month. So, ayun nga no guys. Thank you so much for watching my video about Anisa Heights. So, nakita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda ang ating 18 and 16 square meter units na kahit maliit siya on our perspective on the size, it's still adequate enough to anyone to live in it. Ngayon. So, pwedeng-pwedeng ninyong gamitin to as investment din. So if you're not going to live in it, it's the perfect investment dahil malapit din tayo sa mga schools and different central business districts. Ayun nga po, no? So if you're interested in purchasing a unit here in Anisa Heights, then make sure to contact me at these numbers here. You can call, text, Viber, or WhatsApp me at 0915-522-9470. Okay? And also, you can email me at gsmrdmng@gmail.com. Okay? So, para naman up-to-date kayo sa latest DMCI Homes news and updates, well, please follow me on my social media pages at DMCI Homes by Joe Domingo as my Facebook page. My Instagram is at DMCI Homes by Joe D. And please like, share, and subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel dahil marami pa akong videos na ilalabas para makita ninyo ang tunay na ganda ng DMCI Homes properties. I hope that this makes it even more interesting for you to invest with DMCI Homes. So, hanggang sa muli, yun na lang muna for now. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!
So project update lang tayo with Aston Residences. So malapit na pong matapos ang Aston Residences actually. So nandito kasi yung model unit ng Anisa sa La Verde Residences. So this is another project in Pasay. So if mas interested kayo sa bigger cuts in the Pasay area, then I highly recommend Aston Place. So may units pa tayong available dyan, pero paubos na din. So ayan yung construction update. So kung bumili kayo ng Aston, yan na po yung itsura niya. It's gearing up for turnover by next year. So dun naman sa kabilang side actually. So if you can see the one with the green, ito. So that is actually Camden Place. So sold out na po tayo sa Camden Place. Unfortunately, we have reopened units pero mga 1 or 2 na lang last time I checked. Pero it's still undergoing construction. So yung mga Camden buyers natin, kaya po siya. Okay?